two legal platforms, two very different promises. Which one really delivers? On the left, LegalZoom, the all-in-one legal and business formation powerhouse. And on the right, JustAnswer. Instant answers from live attorneys 24/7. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Okay, before we dive in, let's map out exactly what we're comparing. We'll look at service focus, pricing, turnaround and accessibility, legal depth and support, and of course, customer feedback and trust. That way you know exactly where each service kinda shines or stumbles. First up, service focus. So LegalZoom, it's honestly the full package. Think legal document creation, official business formations, LLCs, core, all that, and you even get custom legal plans with attorney review. The catch: some of the premium stuff like direct attorney access does bump up your bill a bit. Now flip over to JustAnswer and it's a totally different vibe. Here, you're chatting with real attorneys 24/7, unlimited questions, super handy if you just need answers fast. But, and this is a biggie, it's mostly Q&A, no actual document filing or hardcore legal paperwork. If you want something officially filed or reviewed, JustAnswer isn't your stop. So, service focus winner. Gotta hand it to LegalZoom, seriously, it's just way more comprehensive. Alright, let's talk pricing because budget kinda matters. LegalZoom lays its pricing out there pretty clearly, and some packages even start at $0 plus your state fee. You can scale up for more features, which is great, but beware of all those add-ons. Registered agent, if you want things rushed, that'll cost you more too. Now, JustAnswer. It's a simple monthly fee for unlimited questions and honestly no basic upsells to worry about. The subscription does renew automatically, something to watch for if you're just popping on for quick help. But overall, pricing is a little more wallet-friendly on JustAnswer, especially if you're just looking to ask tons of legal questions. See what I mean? For pricing, JustAnswer sneaks out ahead. Moving right along, turnaround and accessibility. So LegalZoom offers official filing timelines, could be a day, could stretch up to a whole month, depends on your package. If you splurge on the top-tier route, you can actually talk to an attorney on the phone about your case, which, to be fair, is a cool touch. Although, honestly, standard speed can be kinda slow. Want it fast and with priority support? Yep, that'll cost extra. Then JustAnswer, here's something cool. You literally get to chat with an attorney instantly, 24/7. It's perfect for urgent questions, late-night panic Googling, all that. But just so we're clear, you can't use it for getting official documents filed or anything that needs quick legal documentation. So who wins accessibility? JustAnswer, no contest, it's lightning fast. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know LegalZoom has helped launch over 4 million businesses, while JustAnswer users ask over 10,000 legal questions every month? Kind of wild, right? Both are serious heavyweights, just in totally different ways. Now let's talk legal depth and support. LegalZoom really tries to cover all sorts of legal ground: business, family, even intellectual property. You get step-by-step guidance, attorney-reviewed paperwork, and you can jump on calls for deeper consults if needed. Sure, some edge case legal scenarios may be better suited for a specialized law firm, but for most needs, it's super robust. JustAnswer is there for basic stuff. You get quick, easy answers, and sometimes it's nice for a second opinion. But there's not a lot of info about how deeply they vet their attorneys, and if you've got tricky filings or complex situations, JustAnswer just isn't designed for that. So on legal depth, LegalZoom takes the win again. Last up, customer feedback and trust. LegalZoom, it's been around for ages and definitely earned its stripes. Tons of positive reviews, high reputation, though you do see some complaints about upselling and slow support popping up, just keeping it real. JustAnswer is more of a mixed bag. Super convenient for quick help, but not everyone's blown away, and there's some inconsistency in the quality of advice. Trust and reliability, LegalZoom gets another thumbs up from the crowd. So, to pull it all together, let me drop a radar chart for you. LegalZoom spikes way up in service focus, legal depth and trust, while JustAnswer holds its own with pricing and accessibility. For quick, basic lawyer answers, it's hard to beat. Neat visual, huh? If you want the official stuff done right, legal documents, filings, actual attorney reviews, LegalZoom is absolutely the way to go. It's perfect for launching your business or handling real legal issues that need paperwork. Just Answer, though, if you're just looking for instant, affordable answers, maybe to settle a random dispute or get quick advice, it's super convenient. It's not a substitute for the heavy-duty stuff, but seriously, it's a lifesaver for those late-night legal panics. Hey, if you found this breakdown helpful or you want to keep up with all things business and legal comparisons, definitely bookmark this page for your next big legal decision. You'll thank yourself later.